Introducing EZ-LNP, the fast and easy solution for RNA delivery in vitro and in vivo. A complete kit designed to enable non-viral gene delivery with minimal toxicity. First, warm up the EZ-LNP reagent at 37 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Dilute your RNA in RNA buffer to the recommended concentration. Then mix 1 part EZ-LNP with 3 parts RNA solution. Mix vigorously by pipette or vortex to form the LNP-RNA complex. Use the same day for best results. Add 5 to 10 microliter of RNA-LNP per well and incubate for up to 24 hours. Analyze transfection efficiency using fluorescence microscopy or flow cytometry. For in vivo delivery, inject 50 microliter intramuscularly and image after 6 hours. EZ-LNP, instrument-free workflow. Reproducible results? Learn more at origin.com